Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 3 altcoins to buy right now in the end of October. Finally, October is ending and we're going to be getting November soon, ending the year on a green note here. Market is up about 2.91% in the past 24 hours. Our top gainers in the past 24 hours are going to be Decentraland. It's up about 45.5%. So guys, as you can see, some of these altcoins that kind of became nothing, they're coming back. So there's always an opportunity for a comeback, and Decentraland used to be one of the top coins that was getting kind of like pumped up, I guess you could say. It was a momentum coin. And now Decentraland is finally back in the spotlight right there. So 45% higher. Our highest volume in the past 24 hours is going to be Bitcoin at 36.9 billion right there. Ethereum at 23 billion. Bitcoin and Ethereum both up almost 2.5–3% right there. Bitcoin trading at 62,000. Close to the all-time highs. Ethereum is trading at all-time highs right now at over $4,400 per coin. We see some of these other bigger coins like Binance Coin is up 7.5%, trading at $529. Obviously, we have Solana at over 200 again, up 2% or so. SHIBA INU booming again, close to the all-time high area, up about 11%. Meanwhile, Doge is taking a little bit of a breather. But as you can see, most of these other altcoins are up about 5% or so, or down a little bit, with some obviously outliers there. So guys, before we get into the rest of this content, smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100+ likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. We just smashed 45,000 subscribers, guys, so thank you so much. We're aiming for 50,000 subscribers, so let's get into it, guys. The first altcoin is going to be Binance BNB. So Binance Coin right here, one of the bigger coins, obviously the third largest by market cap. In the past 24 hours, it is up about 7.5% or so, trading at $529. It was at lows of $490 or so just 24 hours ago. So in the past week, it's up about 12% here, as you can see. In the past month, 59%. So even some of these bigger coins could have made you some great gains. Obviously, 59% return for me personally is an amazing return. Now, obviously, some of the meme traders, they want to get 100, 200, 1,000%. But 59% for me personally is amazing, especially in a month. You don't see gains like that very often. So here in the past year, it's up over 1,675%, trading at $28.46. Just about a year ago, we hit highs of 690, pulled back down with the market all the way to about 260 or so, and now we've had this trend on up over close to 100% or so just in the past 2 or 3 months. Market cap currently at 88.4 billion, giving it the number 3 rank. Volume at 2.7 billion, 1% higher than usual. And obviously down here, if you guys aren't familiar with this coin, Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency used to pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Fees paid in Binance Coin on the exchange receive a discount. So Binance Coin is definitely one of those bigger coins that a lot of investors are into, because it is behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. But also we have Cardano, which is right behind Binance Coin, trying to gain on it. So Binance, Cardano, top 5 coins right there. And this is definitely a coin that we always look forward to for the future. We're still about a 20%, 25% away from the all-time highs right there, close to $700. Hopefully, we'll be seeing those prices towards the end of 2021, getting into Q4 right here. And we're going to be looking for a bright future for this coin to continue to go higher. Under 100 billion market cap. I see this one, at least doubling in the next 5 to 10 years. So definitely over 200 billion market cap, in my opinion. That's just my personal guess right there. So BNB is going to be our first coin. Our second coin is going to be Chainlink. Link right here is up about 2.5% in the past 24 hours, trading at $31.09. In the past week, we're up about 10% almost. In the past month, 40%, guys. So another one where you could have gained 40% in a month, which is insane. It was trading at $22 here at the beginning of October. In the past year, 176%, which is insane because a lot of those gains just happened in the past few months. Here last October, we were trading at $11. We hit highs here in May at around $50 or so, $53, pulled back down to lows of about $13 at one point. And then from that area, we're up over 150% or so from that area, even up here at highs in September. So this coin is making a little bit of a comeback, trading sideways right here for about a month and a half, and now we're seeing that next leg up. So we're hoping to break through these, highs that we saw here in September at 34, 35. If we can break through that, our next resistance area is going to be closer here to the $40 range, and that's going to be our next target level that we're going to be looking forward to. Right now, the market cap is at 14.3 billion on this coin. Volume is about 1.2 billion, which is 23% less than the last time. If we take a look here, typical hold time is going to be 67 days. Popularity is ranked number 11 coin. 56% buy activity and 44% sell activity. Now, Chainlink is an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. How does all this work? Well, Chainlink was designed to incentivize a global network of computers to provide accurate data to Chainlink's oracles. Now, there are many oracles operating today, including ones that provide price data across a wide range of assets, weather data, and location data. Now, Link is the token used to pay for services on the network and to incentivize nodes to perform verifiably honest work and provide accurate data. Some things to keep in mind with this is, in order to become a node and start providing data to Chainlink's oracles, holders must stake Link tokens into a smart contract to act as an incentive against misbehaving or submitting false data to the network. So it's kind of like a safety net type situation in order to get into that. So Chainlink is going to be our second coin, and then obviously last but not least, coming at the number 3 spot is going to be Axie Infinity. So this is a coin we caught obviously before the huge hype a few months ago, and it just continues to go higher and higher. Here in the past 24 hours, we're up about 12.5%, hitting highs at 164, pull back down to 141 right now. In the past week, we're up about 18%. In the past month, over 105% from lows down here of under $68 or so. Huge gains were made right there. And actually, in a matter of about the beginning of October, the first 4 or 5 days, most of those gains happened, traded sideways, and now we're seeing the next leg up happen. So in the past year, it's up over 85,842%. Last November, we were trading at 15 cents. We caught this coin here in July, actually, when it was trading at around $10 or so at the lows, and continue to go higher and higher. So if you would have watched the my videos back then, you could have been possibly up over 1,300% in just over the summer, and a 1,300% gain is insane. So $1,000 invested into that would have been a $13,000 profit, which is a great profit in my opinion. Current market cap is going to be 8.7 billion. Volume is at 2.9 billion right there, 512% higher than usual. Typical hold time is going to be 9 days. Popularity, number 20. 62% buy activity, 38% sell activity. So AXS is an Ethereum token that powers Axie Infinity, a blockchain-based game where players can battle, collect, and build a digital kingdom for their pets. AXS holders can claim rewards by staking their tokens, playing the game, and participating in the key governance votes. So Axie Infinity, obviously, if you guys go and play the game, how it's played, you basically buy these characters, you can breed these characters, do different things. If the characters get good, I guess you kind of like an IV type situation. If their stats are good, you can sell these characters for a lot of money, depending on which ones you get, but it's not guaranteed, obviously, and a lot of people are into this breeding, farming type thing, and they, just keep on going and going. At the time when I first made a video about Axie Infinity, which was here in July, you could buy 2 of those characters for about $1,000 total, and you could breed them, and if you get obviously a good one, you can make profit. A lot of people are just farming them and making loads and loads of profit on these type of things. So Axie Infinity is definitely a game and a token, obviously, that I'm looking into for the long run, especially as this game continues to grow. So definitely want to look into, guys. Take a look and see, do your own research on that. So those are going to be the 3 altcoins we're going to be looking at right now. Now let's take a look at the rest of the market. Like we said, first of all, Solana trading at 200, hitting all-time highs almost at 2.8% higher than usual, or actually higher today. Here, SHIBA INU up 11%, trading in the 7s again, close to those 8s. We're close to the all-time highs. We might see a boom, soon, so we're going to be watching very carefully. Doge trading at 29 cents, 38 billion market cap. So SHIBA is actually about 3 billion market cap, higher than Dogecoin is right now, which is insane how SHIBA, just kind of overtook, I guess you could say, over Dogecoin and became the number 1 meme coin right there. So it's winning right now. Bitcoin in the past 24 hours up about 2.5%, trading at 62,358. In the past week, we're actually trading flat with the highs, obviously, that we saw here at around 67,000 at one point. In the past month, we're actually up 52%. So even with these higher coins, like we said, you could have been up, 40, 50%, which is insane. In the past year, we're up 374%, trading at all-time highs pretty much basically right now. And we're waiting for another leg on higher to break through the 70,000 barrier, hopefully going into the end of Q4. Market cap currently at 1.2 trillion. 36% of the crypto market space is taken up by Bitcoin. Typical hold time is going to be 80 days, 57% buy activity, 43% sell activity on this coin. Ethereum at all-time highs, hitting almost 4,500 at one point on Friday, trading at 4,400 right now, up almost 3%. In the past week, we're up 9%. Past month, 57.8%. Once again, just like Bitcoin, Binance Coin, Chainlink, Axie Infinity, they've all been booming in the past month. In the past year, outperforming Bitcoin, obviously up over 1,000% or so, which is insane. Obviously, all-time highs were here at 4,400. We're at that area right now, breaking through those highs. Market cap is 522.9 billion, which is 16% of the crypto market space currently. Volume at 23 billion, down about 11% from yesterday. Trading activity, 64% buy activity, and then we have 36% sell activity on this coin. Typical hold time is going to be 80 days. So obviously Bitcoin and Ethereum are, leading the path obviously for the rest of the coins. So as these large cap coins tend to go higher, the mid cap and the low cap coins follow the same pattern. So if Bitcoin's up 2 or 3%, altcoins are going to be up probably 5, 10, 15%, depending on which altcoin we're looking at. So that's the pattern that we're always seeing, and obviously the same pattern on the downtrend. So guys, you guys let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Which coins are going to be good for the rest of, obviously October's over, so going into November and the end of 2021, leave a comment below. Smash that like button for me if you enjoy this type of content. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor, so before investing, speak to your financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. This is a high risk, high reward type situation. I hope you guys enjoyed and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye and have a great weekend.